Are you good?
Alright.
Just have to flame them real quick.
Flame them.
BM. Gaslight.
Partner.
Partners.
Double out.
Double out. On me. Fire. South.
Larry Brazil.
Alright.
Knockback.
Careful of the cleave. This should be lightning, yeah?
Yes.
Yep.
Clock. Spread.
I have soil down.
Fire. Lightning safe.
That's right.
Correct. Lightning at 4.
I have Swift. I got it.
Clock. Spread. Spread.
Whatever Brazil.
Putting down soil.
Clock. Holy.
DM is up.
Cleave.
Flashbang.
Bait. Go.
Tether north. Tether on me.
Soil.
Pot's coming up soon.
Volking.
Blue.
Red.
Red card. Cleave. Knockback.
Knockback.
This is a bit weird. Be careful.
Tether. Tether A. Everybody away from A.
Away. Away. Gonna reposition him.
Clock.
Dropping soil again.
Holy groups.
Clocks. And then true north, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. You guys saved my fucking life.
Fuck.
What'd you do?
I went into burst.
Ooh. That was fire,
Same.
right?
Knockback.
Yeah.
To red. DPS check's a little bit behind.
Check your tether.
You may go out.
Fire on me.
Good.
Numbers. Numbers.
Wait.
Move.
Knockback.
Clock. Spread. Spread.
Reprisal.
Newbie, how early are you throwing out shields so I know when I can move
For that? Or when?
for like this next part?
Blue. Red
Fire
safe.
safe.
They're already up. Fire is safe.
Partner. Fire
Okay.
safe partner.
Got it.
Partner.
Just keep it facing
Yeah.
that way, to be honest.
Okay.
Poking.
Oh shit.
I heal them as much as I
Yeah.
could.
I put all my cooldowns there.
Fire. Blue mirror safe. Watch tether. Tether out.
Okay, dropping soil again.
Getting star if you can.
Yep.
Upping star.
Prismatic.
That's good.
We're on DPS check wise.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're doing fine.
Nice. Got all my cartridges.
Swords up in.
Upper cross.
DB.
DND?
DB.
I know, but I saw Vic move. I
Yeah.
didn't think it was
Yeah.
that.
Just
Swords up in.
AC.
Yeah.
Ace, yeah.
AC.
Air conditioning.
Hell yeah.
Okay, that was.
Alright, clean cycles, focus
Yep.
up.
Pot if you have it.
My reprisal.
GC, so it goes in the pot. Oh my god, 180 crit.
Shielding. Just play it safe.
Yep, I'm playing it safe as well.
Fire first.
Partners.
Fire partners.
You have
Yeah,
tether.
I have tether.
Sides. For
Sides,
knockback.
Knockback. Back.
South.
And south for stack.
Seraph is out early.
Am I doing this one, Vic? Where are you?
You. Second
Okay.
side is you.
Clock.
Holy.
Holy.
Luby's the only one going north.
Sides.
Sides. Bait.
Just get on up, it's fine.
Move.
Get away from me,
Front.
Vic. Get away from me. Thank you. Sorry, I don't mean to panic, but
I don't have anything.
I got.
Okay, thank you. I have soil.
My DM.
And this is thunder.
Yep.
The worst
So,
one.
Shield up.
it's okay.
Yeah,
I'm in
I'll-
neutral.
All yours. Not
I'm
really.
in tether
but-
as well.
Just gonna play it safe.
Run.
Fuck, I keep forgetting that.
Tank
All
leaps.
yours.
North. You
Tank
stay there,
north.
Vic.
Luby, go heal.
Yep, I'm trying.
Okay, get ready.
I'll be after burst window.
I don't have anything to
I
mitigate
have.
these
I
blades.
got it. Soil's down.
We'll get LB2 right after. Just
Yep.
prepare to
Hopping
expand
star.
it. Go. Please.
It's a clear.
That's good.
Freaking A, just do
Oh
it.
Jesus!
yeah.
Get me the fuck out.
Miss Chase, please,
go! I have such a throbbing headache.
so please
Same.
let the people who only have the weapons roll in the Esther.
Pants aren't bis for us. Vic, so you could pass.
Pants is beast for me though. It's crit dead.
Are they?
Yeah, it's crit
Oh,
dead.
I went with
I'm
skill
getting it.
speed. That's right. I'm done. Yeah, they're bis for
Okay.
you.
Pass on the pants.
Gloves are best for me though. I already got gloves last time. Never mind. I'm passing on that too.
They don't have gloves? No, I don't. It's best for
Oh
me.
wait, I needed
All I can
pants.
use is the Esther right now.
So the only